Good morning. It is Tuesday in Japan. So this is one of my last full days here. Man, I'm telling y'all, it's been freaking amazing. Went outside today. I'm about to go get some sushi. I'm about to do a little bit more shopping. I think we're going out to the air base out here. My homeboy's ex-military. Everybody knows I'm ex-military, but I don't really talk about that portion of my life, man, because, I just don't. Like, there's a part that I felt like I was forced into it when I was a kid. The decision to rebel against my dad and go Army. My dad wanted me to be a Marine. So I went Army because I didn't want to do what he was trying to force me to do. I wasn't trying to be a grunt and be a tough guy and get all, let me shoot everything. And I'm a big bad Marine. I did not want that lifestyle. So I went Army, was in college. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. She said, stop talking and eat the chicken. When a woman tells you stop talking and eating, you eat.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Delicious.
Ooh. Stop playing. Oh my God.
Yeah. Delicious, right?
Chicken.
You want to put your hand in my curry later? That sounds fun. You could do. You can have a spicy chicken one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Too good. That was too good. There it is.